Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you LeadsLeap that I made a video around March 10th. This is the perfect site for you to get free traffic, free autoresponder, all lifetime membership. I'm going to show you right here the tracking links. You can right here, any of your links right here. You put it right here. You can track them, see how many, the response you get, what works, what doesn't work, what the traffic is doing. You just want to see that. Right click right here. You can click right here, and it'll show you 7 days, 30 days. Where's the traffic coming from? Right here, YouTube. Right here is the email series. There's all the emails are that when they enter my any of my lead magnets that I have, my pages, my funnels. Right here are free ads. I only have 2. Because this is the pro. Sorry. I got 10 pro ads. Here's all the traffic gets seen by the system. Everybody's in here. I'm a pro member, so that's like $27 a month. But you don't have to be a pro member. You can be a member for life for free. No credit card, no nothing. Right here. And here's the free. I only have 2. And here you surf for free credits. Here, so people on the site promoting stuff. You gotta watch it for 5 seconds. Right here, hit it again. Right here, another ad will come. Look for another 5 seconds. And if you like, what I do is if I see a funnel or a page I like, I screenshot it. That way it gives me ideas what people are making, what kind of pages they're doing. Not copy them, just the way they look, get ideas of my own. And right here, page builder, show you the PDF manager. That's awesome because you can come here and you can put PDF into here, like this right here. This right here. Let's say I wanted to, make a PDF out of it. I just go here, file, download. Download. It's a PDF. It's trying to be, see right there, PDF. I don't know why it's doing that, but and then when it downloads to your computer, you can come here and then you want to add a new one, you open this up, and then here, you'll go to your computer and you can download the PDF you made, and then you have somewhere to store it. It's awesome. I like it a lot. Right here, let's see. This is again, go back here, and you can right here it's affiliate links. You can promote LeadsLeap, and they give you just a link right here. You can promote them right here. Right here, you got the affiliate link. You can preview, like it says right here. You get free traffic to your website, autoresponder 10 list, a page builder. This is for free for life membership. You got it. This is one of my favorites. The tracking, because you got to track, and the PDF is awesome too. And see what else? You will love this because if you're doing affiliate marketing, you need to make pages. When I first started, I didn't know how to make none of the pages, and then I learned. Right here, it's drag and drop all the pages. See, this is a 1-page funnel. Let me see what else. My top 3 pages. There's something I promote. Oh, this is somebody else's page, but I've never used it. I'm gonna delete that thing. Yeah, because people share. If you're on this here, people share. You have a share. You have a share link. You can share right. Where is it? Here's a code right here. See, it gives you a code, and you can share that code, and they can have the same page or funnel you have. And right here, you got reviews. My reviews. I have nothing in there, but the tracking is awesome. Oh, and the rotator too. Forgot about the rotator right here. Yeah, I got one rotator. I think I have like, I can't remember how many I have in there. Yep. And it's free for life. When you hear the ads, you can post right here, again, get all your, don't ever press this. And that's it. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe. Please hit the bell. Any questions, please in the comments. And it's free for life. I love this platform. It gives you free credits when you do everything. Free autoresponder. I got some notes here. See right here. It's 100% free membership, free traffic, free autoresponder, free landing page. Right here, grow your business. You get all the traffic from the system. Generate leads 24/7. You get the tools. The ads, the tracking, the autoresponder, the break, much more. Page builder. Excuse me. Lifetime. No credit card needed. Again, I say the same thing again. Hope this video helps. And the links, they're in the description. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you next time. Thank you. What time is it wrong, dude?